Having your precious equipment destroyed in milliseconds just to save a few bucks? I don't think so. Ladies and gentlemen, hello and welcome to a quick presentation on application of surge protective devices in photovoltaic systems. s.r.o is purely Czech company and we are on the market since 95. That means nearly 30 years of experience. All the development, research and the production takes place in Czech Republic according to the valid certifications. SPDs are periodically tested in our lab to ensure the best quality and the longest lifespan even in harsh environment. According to certain European standards, every photovoltaic installation needs to be protected. Protection against incoming surges from both sides of the inverter needs to be done. Installation of an SPD also ensures that an overvoltage will not get into the building. There are several types of PV installations according to the standard. One of them is the installation with lightning protection system. This is an example of a bigger residential or a smaller commercial type of installation. s.r.o offers complete list of products needed for the successful surge protection of such an installation and others. In this case, SPDs Type 2 have to be used on DC side of the system. The one installed under the roof protects from the intrusion of the overvoltage to the building. The other one installed at the inverter protects inverter itself. Yellow SLP PV line suits here just perfectly. Another example shows off-grid type of an PV installation. An off-grid system often uses 230 volts as an output for powering some device in your house or other equipment, for example in your garden. As a small residential or commercial system is widely used mainly for water heating and battery charging nowadays. A common issue with these types of installations is insufficient separation distance. That means LPS and metal frame of PV panels are too close to each other, so a spark could jump over and cause a fire. Therefore LPS and metal frame needs to be interconnected, according to the standard, and stronger Type 1 SPDs are used then. Orange FLP PV275 is s.r.o.'s solution for these installations. As combined Type 1 and Type 2 SPD, it offers optimal parameters exceeding standards for reasonable price. Open-air PV parks are on the rise every year even more. Since s.r.o. participated on many large commercial PV installations, we have the knowledge straight from the field on how to use SPDs there correctly. The most common issue with these types of installations is not protecting all of the cable entries. Large commercial installations often uses various types of communication with sensors, optimizers and even with inverter itself. These cables needs to be protected as well. Otherwise there is a risk of intrusion of the overvoltage to the already protected parts of an electrical installation via capacitive coupling. Since the price is just at the first place, s.r.o. offers FLP PV compact solution as combined Type 1 and Type 2 SPD for DC side of the system and BDM or DMP products for serial communication as well as DL line for the Ethernet. Are you curious about the products? How to use them properly according to the standards? Want to know how to calculate separation distance, minimize loops, or other tips for correct SPD installation in various kinds of industry and much more? Please let us know. In the meantime, thank you for watching.